How to disable animation effects on Windows 11. Disabling animation effects on Windows 11 can improve performance, especially on older or less powerful systems. Here's how to do it. Method 1. Through Windows Settings. Open Settings. Press 1+I to open the Settings app. Navigate to Accessibility. In the left-hand menu, click on Accessibility. Disable Animation Effects. Under Visual Effects, toggle Animation Effects to Off. Method 2. Through Performance Options. Open Performance Options. Press 1+S, type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, and select the result. Customize visual effects. In the Performance Options window, go to the Visual Effects tab. Disable Animations. Select Custom, then uncheck the following options. Animate windows when minimizing and maximizing. Fade or slide menus into view. Fade or slide tooltips into view. Fade out menu items after clicking. Apply changes. Click Apply and then OK. Method 3. Using Registry Editor. Note, editing the registry can be risky. Be sure to back up your registry before making any changes. Open Registry Editor. Press 1+R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to Animation Settings. Go to the following key. Mathematica. Copy code. HKUI_current_user \control panel \desktop. Modify animation settings. Find and modify the following values. Menu show delay, double-click it and set the value to 0. Drag full windows, set it to 0. Apply changes. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. By following these methods, you can disable animation effects on Windows 11 and improve system performance.